Hi, thank you for coming to Yarn Again. I wanted to share with you the new feature on my channel, which is going to be Throw Thursday. Every Thursday I will bring a throw that I'm working on. I am currently working on more than one, and show you it. This week we're featuring the Mary Maxim throw Persian Tiles. This tile throw is absolutely beautiful. Here's the order number. It is available on their site, and quite often they do have sales on their blankets and throws. And I would wait for a sale. I am not affiliated in any way. I just happen to like Mary Maxim. Their yarns are very soft. These are some of the colors that I got in my kit. My kit was substituted with different yarns due to the fact that they ran out of the other ones. So my kit will not look like this. As you could see, I have these. These are a mistake. I made 16 per the directions. Here it says, it says here, make 16. But because I got the different yarns, I am supposed to make 8. With the first combination for the octagon motif, and then 4 of the second one and 4 of the third one. So hopefully I don't have to frog those for the yarn, which I don't think you do, because every time you do a Mary Maxim kit you get extra yarn. So these are my colors. They are anti-pilling exclusive Premier yarns, Everyday DK, like new, wash after wash. There's 273 yards, a 3.4 ounce ball, 5 ounce ball. I don't know, my eyes just stopped working. 3 light, use a 10 millimeter, a 4 millimeter hook and a 4 millimeter set of needles. You can machine wash and tumble dry. Yay! And there is more information on Premier.com. Again, this is a Mary Maxim kit, and this color is Meadow. I got 2 Meadows. I got 1 of this color. They're all the same specs. Rosewood, which is this one here. And I got 2 of the Cadet Blue. And I got Khaki, which looks olive to me, but it looks more olive in person than it does here. And a Straw, which looks kind of gold. I used this one on the centers per the instructions. I went to the 16 is why I have the extra ones. And I got another Cadet Blue. I got Charcoal. I got 2 of the Grape Jam. 1 of the Salmon. And 1 of the Dusty Rose. So I don't know how long this kit is going to take, but I'm willing to do it. I'm going to do my best, and we will see. Oh, and I got 1 of the Parchment. I caked it up because it fell apart. So I just put it in cake form, and got a little sock that made on the small loom to put it in. It works great. And it comes, all their kits come with a bag so you can reuse it. It's that thick kind of stuff. Kind of like a thick tablecloth in the old days. The clear plastic. One of those. And my will not look like Mine might look like that. I don't know if this is the one that they did with the colors I have. No, it's not, because I don't have the cream. Isn't that pretty, though? This is what it's supposed to look like. I will show you my progress every Thursday. We're going to do the Thursday throw day. And if I have another one that I worked on because I got frustrated with this, I'll be honest and I'll tell you. And then I'll let you know what I'm working on and show you. Because it's honesty over here at Yarn Again. This is a close-up shot. Like I said, I think that might be that square that I'm working on. So this might be the new picture of the one I've got, which is nice. I have to learn how to do this. See how they joined that? I've never joined them like that. The only kind of blanket I've ever made before, to be honest, is a granny square blanket. So here's to hoping. I never sewed them together like that either. We're going to see, because I'm supposed to be doing the Sophie's blanket with my son, and neither one of us have ever done that before. So this is the year of the blanket, I guess. And the throw. And the tote bags. My channel is going to have a schedule. If you're the first time here, welcome. Appreciate you coming by. If you could subscribe, I would appreciate that. Did you know 75% of the people that watch my videos do not subscribe? I'm sure that's an average on all the YouTubers out there. The thumbs do help all of us YouTubers, and I do appreciate the help that you can give to myself and other YouTubers by liking, subscribing to their channels and my channel, and to share it if you find this interesting or know somebody that might be wanting to do or is doing the Persian tiles. I started this a couple of weeks ago. I've just been sick, so I haven't been able to load it up. Feeling much better. Thank you very much. And my schedule. Back to my schedule. My brain went away. Back to my schedule. On Mondays on Yarn Again, you will be seeing Mary Maxim Monday, which is a kit that comes from Mary Maxim. It's a monthly kit that we pay for. None of this is done by them. We are not affiliated in any way. My son is doing it as well. That's why I'm saying we. He is Creative Craftings by with SC, and he will have a link in the description below. And Tuesdays is up for grabs. I don't know if you have any suggestions. Wednesdays is Whip It Wednesday. Thursdays is Throw Thursday. Usually it will be a Mary Maxim throw. I did start the Mary Maxim quarterly throw. I'm waiting for that to arrive, which is okay because I have a couple throws on my desk. And Friday is Finished Objects Friday. Hopefully I get some done. And Saturday is I thought of something earlier but left my brain. And Sunday is I'm not sure yet either. That was the one I didn't know. Oh, Tuesdays is the cows that I'm doing. I'm doing the Mystery Yarn Cow with Armchair Chef Lori. She will be linked below if you want to watch more great content. And I am also doing the cow of the calendar blanket in 6 months with Coco's Crochet Lista. I hope I said her name right. It will be linked down below. And Samantha from Mantha Makes is also doing that cow. Her link will be listed down below as well. If I've mentioned them or think you might be able to use the links, I will post them in my description below. I do appreciate you stopping by. And again, if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe, that would make me really happy. And I really do hope you have a wonderful day. And thank you again for coming by.